कमीनर साहब और ये कमेटी ने सर बड़ा अच्छा काम करके आज उन्होंने थर्ड डे है, और उन्होंने काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें जो है वो कंप्लीट करके आज जो ड्राफ्ट है उसको भी रिव्यू और वो सारी चीज़ें उन्होंने कर ली हैं. आई हैव बीन पर्सनल विटनेस टू देयर कंट्रीब्यूशन. आई हैव बीन विजिटिंग मीटिंग देम ऑन एंड ऑफ. डिफरेंट बातचीत होती है. आई ऑब्जर्व दैट माशाल्लाह they have made sure that this curriculum is made repeating that specific level of excellence and quality should be maintained here. Munir Sahab, Dr. Sir, could you recap kar deं the whole 3 days process?
Thank you very much, sir. Welcome to the last session. Actually, what we have done in our first meeting in October. Actually, we have come up with a scheme study. After finishing the scheme of study, we have made subcommittees, and every subcommittee is responsible for certain sections. We have for the non-technology courses, non-engineering technology courses. We have a subcommittee for fundamental. Then we have a committee for the front-end courses. They gave us our input. We compiled a document, and then we sent this document to 4 international reviewers. After we received the feedback, we bring that feedback to this committee. The very first day what we did, we took the reviews from the international reviewers, and then we take their suggestion, incorporated their suggestion as appropriate in the document. Then afterwards, we started reviewing the compiled document. We checked what we have actually produced here. The course contents is according to the contents, according to the syllabus title, what we intended to teach students. In this whole exercise, the most important point was the training aspect of the student, the laboratory work, the field work, and we tried to maintain ratio of basically 1 3 hour to 3 lab hours, the contact hours. And alhamdulillah, we have finalized I will not say it's 100% finalized, but 95% document is finalized. Just formatting and grammatical errors and this kind of things. We are just working on it.
Thank you, Kaminar Sahab. Thank you very much. Now I would like to request Vice Chairman MTC to formally close this meeting with the final comments.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. On behalf of the National Technology Council, first I would like to thank Professor Dr. Inayatullah Khan Sahab, who served as a great host. He has been always a great host. I think we need to before this we had another meeting, I think one of the mega meeting of NTC that he very kindly arranged. And that was completed in a great successful way. And I'm very thankful to Engineer Professor Dr. Sayyid Hassan Mujtaba Jafri, who led this session, convener of this meeting, as well as you all. You all are I am a good student. I'm not a vice chairman or I'm not a vice chancellor. Let me share with you, we are living in a very competitive world. Imagine about our own time when we never, I think most of us have seen these computers or these phones when we was either in intermediate or thing like that one. Now if little baby is born and that baby know within a year what all these gadgets are, technical things and stuff like this one. So now the establishment of, because the curriculum that we are going to develop, so these the generation that is coming, that is a very smart generation. We have to develop a very smart and dynamic curriculum. Otherwise, we may not be able to fulfill, the young generation comes and they say, oh, gentlemen, we know these things already, because now everything is on the World Wide Web and Googles and things like that one. So it should be I'm sure, you know better than myself what we have to do. And I'm sure that our curriculum will be, if it's not, this is the last one, it will continuously getting updated also. And if any of you had an opportunity to be in Malaysia, because I had an opportunity to be there, so they have a all OBE system in a real sense implemented over there. Like we used to make, a course is being offered, and for that course, based on the Bloom taxonomy, their mid and final, they are developed even in the first week of the start of classes. And then teacher teach them and stuff like this one that comes. And every year that is changed because they discuss that what we have to change. And I like that system. I mean, I have been in the North American system also, in Middle Eastern system also. But I believe that is the best one that our National Technology Council as well as the Engineering Council is getting involved with this one. The other thing, what we have to do, we live in a world that is a world of technology. And beside this, my current portfolio that is a Vice Chairman of National Technology Council, so I am heading a university that is a skill university. So if we look into the world, the overall, the system of this world is running on, of course, engineering is the major driver of everything. And then come the technology aspects, engineering gets translated into beneficial through technology. And technology is useless if the people are not skilled to run that technology. So that is, I think, our government has taken a great step, establishing these skill university, though some people have a lot more observations also. So why this name skill is over here. So we all have to jointly work together, and that is the way we can move further. And one of the things that I personally have observed, I work with 3 professors in USA. They all have big companies. One of them, he has 3 companies at this time. He was the president of this, one of the Johnson subsidiary, Tybotech also. He left the professorship and everything, he served over there and then he get translated over there. And the same happened over there, and because I was, Dr. Saab have been on the East Coast also, most of the professors, like those who are in the engineering discipline or technology discipline, they have their own companies by somehow. And this trend has not come in the country. I think we have to make certain changes in our curriculum also, in our thought process also, so that we can make it a very translational, in the coming days. Should not be only dealing with this engineering and technology, it should be dealing with all the technology that exists in the world, and that, inshallah, we will be working on this one, that can go further on that side. Particularly, sir, for electrical, I always, because I developed a brain, human brain in a test tube, it's so fascinating. How these chemicals and electrical, they both interact with each other. You are seeing me, I am seeing you, we are interacting with each other, and we all know that there are tons of chemicals instantly in a second, the chemicals, they are being produced, and they are producing right away electricity, our brain, our hand movement, our eyes movement, so that's coming in a great way. So we should be thinking in that way also, how these technologies, this neuroengineering, all these neural prosthetic, they have been developed in a way nowadays, we know it, So I think we have to look more on the, translational aspects. I always keep preaching science, and technology, and of course now being associated with this National Technology Council. So one of my tasks is to create a great bridges between the Engineering Council and the National Technology Council. And then of course, next is the skills. If we produce the skilled manpower, they are the only one that can, whether it's electrical technology, mechanical technology, whatsoever that one is, they are the one that can run the show. And I'm sure Convener Saab, he knows all these things, और खासतौर पर डॉक्टर इनायत साहब क्योंकि टेक्नोलॉजी के मेंबर भी हैं और ही इज ए लाइक ग्रेट कंट्रीब्यूटर। मैं अक्सर अपने इंजीनियरिंग वाले कलीग से बात करता हूँ कि अगर बायोलॉजी जब स्प्लिट हुई थी तो 2 डिसिप्लिन बने थे, बॉटनी एंड ज़ूलॉजी। अगर ये आपस में लड़ पड़ते जो है ना, तो आज बायोलॉजी की आपको पता है तकरीबन 70 के करीब ब्रांचेस हैं। And everyone, like I mean, they have their own discipline and they are contributing in a great way to human health, something like this one. So I think this merger of these, like engineering and technology, we should work together and it should exactly emerge like this rest of the world may Joanna. There should be 70 different disciplines over here. Instead of that, we have few Joanna. So with that, I would like to thank all of you. आप लोग I know nothing. मैं तो आपका जो है ना बेसिकली ये जो नेशनल टेक्नोलॉजी काउंसिल के मिनट्स हैं उनको पढ़ के भी एंजॉय करता हूँ, लर्न करता हूँ बहुत ज़्यादा जो है ना। So hopefully we all will work together and make this country as one of the best country. And thank you all. Thank you, Kamir Saab. Thank you, Vice Chancellor, and you all have a great day. Thank you.
ये